Hey, sir, how are you? Welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar.
Oh, I'm pretty good, Chris. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. Great, thanks for asking.
Yeah.
What can I do for you today?
I want a cocktail.
Okay, I could do you a cocktail.
Bourbon.
Bourbon.
I want bourbon.
Bourbon.
But fruity.
Oh, fruity bourbon.
Fruity bourbon.
Okay. I got just a drink for you.
Really?
Yeah.
You got one?
I got one. Fruit is apricot. Fruity enough for you?
Yeah, that's a fruit, I think.
So I just thought it was an incredible drink. First time I'm making it. It was first appeared in Playboy, the first edition of Playboy in 1953.
What, are you going through your dad's old magazines or something? How'd you find this one?
Randomly stumbled upon this cocktail.
Grandpa's old magazines. 53,
53,
wow.
It was the
That's
first.
an old one.
December of 53.
Wow.
This drink was called the Nevins.
Nevins.
It has the bourbon that you like. It has the fruit from the apricot. Also very acidic from the lemon juice.
Okay.
And then it was in the first edition, so Hugh must have approved this drink.
You? Well, if it's good enough for you, it must be good.
Hugh
Hefner.
Hugh Hefner.
Yeah, well, if it was good enough for him, it's got to be good enough for me, right?
I would assume so.
All right, well, let's make it.
Let's give
you make it
a shot.
I'll drink it.
Okay, me.
Yeah, you make it.
Okay. I will make this bourbon drink, ounce and a half of bourbon, into a cocktail shaker. We are going to do a 1/4 ounce of the fruit. There, we're doing the apricot liqueur.
I mean, that's strong stuff, right?
It is very powerful.
Yeah.
It is very powerful. All flavor.
All you need is a 1/4.
1/4 ounce, correct. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice.
That's fresh, right?
Fresh is the way to go. Yes. And then a 1/2 ounce of orange juice.
Not fresh.
No, but Tropicana, very, very good. Tropicana is a great orange juice.
Oh, it's the best.
I mean, fresh squeeze at one point. Yes.
Yeah.
And then 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Add ice and give it a shake. And then to the side here, we have a chilled Coupe Glass. This cocktail will be strained up, which means no ice, with a Hawthorne Strainer. Look at that color.
Oh, that's nifty.
That is nifty.
That's a nifty looking cocktail.
That is a 50s line for sure.
Yeah, nifty.
I think Hugh would improve. Hugh would improve this color right here.
Okay.
And then to garnish it, we have a Lemon Swath. There you have the Hugh approved Nevins.
The Nevins.
The Nevins.
Well, let's give it a try.
Give it a shot, Sarah. See what you think.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hope you like it. It's a sexy color. What do you think?
That's fruity.
Okay, that's what you wanted.
Sour.
Okay.
A lot of acidity.
Okay.
You got the double acidity.
Okay, it is.
A little bitter.
Okay.
A lot of bourbon.
Okay.
Pretty good drink.
Awesome.
You gotta like bourbon though.
I love bourbon.
Well, then you'd like this one.
Awesome.
The Nevins.
Well, I will continue making this drink. If you like this drink, make sure you like the Blue Collar Bar. Subscribe to the Blue Collar Bar.
Yeah.
And we're also on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
That's where we can find you.
Yes, you can find me there.
Great.
24/7.
Nifty.
Nifty. Love the term. Bring it back, baby.
Neato.
Thank you for coming today. We really appreciate it.
Be cool, Daddy-o.
Oh, Daddy, that's another 50s line. Yeah, you're good. Well, thanks a lot.
Later, alligator.
Bye.